One morning, Robert was enjoying breakfast with his family when his phone rang. He was skeptical but took the call nevertheless. It was one of his customers.
What kind of professionalism is this? Your product quality is deteriorating day by day.
Robert was unaware of what led to the decline in quality. He remembered that when his team set the WPS, it was perfect. Now, what happened? He was anxious and did not finish his breakfast and left for the factory immediately. He was sure that this time he will have to fix the problem. Otherwise, he will lose his loyal customers. He started his journey to the factory and got delayed by traffic. He was getting restless behind the wheel, impatiently waiting to reach his factory and talk to his workers. Suddenly, his phone rang again, and this time it was Nelson, his factory manager.
Sir, can you please come to the factory? We're experiencing a production delay and I'm clueless about the reason. Our production cost has risen, but still we are unable to enhance our productivity. I need your help.
Robert sighed and hung up, and then he thought that this time he needs to check each and every production line carefully. He knew it's quite impossible for him or even for Nelson to check each and every job, and that too in 3 factory sites in different locations. Robert started wondering who could provide a solution to him. While thinking, he reached his factory finally. Robert went inside and Nelson told him that whatever problems they are facing in their welding might be solved by a company and he has already contacted them. Robert was excited to meet them as he was devastated analyzing the reaction of his customers. A group of impeccably attired men walked in and they said, "Hey, we're from Smart Weld and we have a solution to all your welding problems." The Smart Weld team started giving a detailed demonstration of how their device works in capturing key metrics like current, voltage, and gas flow. Smart Weld analytical dashboards can provide in-depth insights into the welding process. They showed Robert that their current welding parameters are inconsistent, and that's the primary reason for the quality impairment. Smart Weld presented to Robert that there are a number of machines that are not functioning at their peak performance, and this is creating a huge impact on their productivity. Smart Weld exhibited that historic data tracking with their device can help optimize their cost, increase welding productivity, improve welding quality, and reduce machine downtime. Nelson deployed the Smart Weld solution at all their factories, hoping this would solve their production and quality issues. 3 months later. "Sir, look at this dashboard. Our production quality has improved and our cost has been minimized. I cannot believe that our performance is improved and our customers are happy with the welding quality and timely delivery." Robert looked around the site, absolutely satisfied. The workers were at their best. Deliveries were being met on time. After a long time, he was happy and content. Now Robert has gone on a vacation with his family. His kids are playing, and he's enjoying a gala family time. These days, all Robert needs to do is occasionally check his laptop to keep a close eye on the workers and machines' performance. He can now detect welding defects and can easily check on the progress of all deliverables. Smart Weld has exceptionally changed his life. He thanks Smart Weld for the amazing way of transformed welding. Smart Weld, where welding meets Industry 4.0.